Hi everyone, this is Dr. Tom Gerard. I'm going to do a recording of how to do a recording in PowerPoint. And as you can see, I have my webcam on here, and this is my webcam that's right on my laptop. It's not a special camera. I don't have a special microphone. I'm just using what comes with my laptop. And so you should have this available. You don't have to have any extra equipment. I'm actually right in PowerPoint. If you come over here, here's the home button, and up here there's a record button, and there's some options in here. I'm going to turn this webcam off because we're going to look at the webcam that is actually in PowerPoint. So I'm going to turn this off, and you'll see up here there's a button that says record, and all I need to do is click that. And when I do that, it puts you into this record screen. Now, the one thing you can't see probably here is the little arrows that's down here where I can move through my PowerPoint. But this is what's going to record. Is just my PowerPoint here. And up here is the time. I'm going to turn my webcam on up here. I want you to turn your webcam on because you're giving a presentation. You can see that I have the back blurred. This is in PowerPoint. It's probably a setting up in here. But you get the idea. You just need to use what you have available to you. Nothing fancy. This is about being able to make a presentation. And so I can go through these slides. You're going to go through the slides and discuss these things based upon what you've picked up in the class throughout going through all this organizational behavior. Please go through the slides and get familiar with them and think about what you want to say as you're going through this. You can, and also one of the things that's really great, give me some personal experiences. Maybe you have some personal experiences that relate to some of this information, and put that in there, right? This is about, first of all, applying some of the things that we've gone through in the course, but I've prepared the PowerPoint for you. All you have to do is give the presentation on the PowerPoint, but make it personal. Have fun. It's not for a bunch of scientists and things like that. Imagine that you're giving this presentation to maybe your friends or your family or somebody you're really comfortable with. I'm recording right now. This little picture of me down here is from PowerPoint. Okay, so now of course, you're going to hit the record button, which I didn't do. In fact, maybe I need to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to save it. So I'm going to let it record here for a second. Now we're recording PowerPoint, and I could go through the slides. You're going to go through these and discuss them and stuff. So once it's saved, now I'm going to hit stop, and then I'm going to hit export, and I can hit. It's got here where I can name it. It's going to, of course, ask me where I want to save it, and save it somewhere where you can find it. So I can put it up here on my desktop, and it's saving it as a MP4 file. That's what we want. It's automatically picked that. So we're just going to click that, and now it says exporting video. And see here it is. So once this is finished, you should be able to go over to your desktop, and you'll be able to see this PowerPoint that's already recorded as an MP3. And let's see what we got here. Right here it is. It's my little icon. Looks like a traffic cone. That just happens to be the video player that I use. And so now you should be able to open that up. And of course, it's probably not done rendering yet, but once it does, you'll be able to view it. If it doesn't turn out the way you want, you can redo it. You can redo it again as many times as you like until you're comfortable with it. Okay, and then you're going to upload this, or you're going to attach it, I should say, perhaps in Blackboard. So that's what you're going to do once you're finished with this. Okay. Okay, that's all I wanted to say, is just to really tell you, for those of you who maybe never have done any kind of recording before, on how you're going to record PowerPoint, record a presentation right in PowerPoint.